This is Ryan Monroe of Surf and Turf Roofing doing a digital analysis at 31 Wilson Avenue in Summersport, New Jersey. Now, coming up on the roofing system during my initial inspection, definitely deemed this roof irreparable. We definitely want to get a new roofing system on here. I just want to go over some concerns that I have. We have a 3-tab shingle comprised of a fiberglass mat with granules and asphalt. The first thing I noticed, if you take a look in your gutter systems all the way down here, your gutters are completely clogged with debris. Now, this is very detrimental because on days where it rains, that water's going to run down. Since your gutters are filled with debris, what happens is that water cannot flow away from the home. So what happens is it ends up either running over and getting down and starting to mess with the foundation, or 2, it runs back and gets up underneath here, gets into the construction gap, starts to cause leaks and starts to have rot and mold and things like that. So this is something that we definitely want to take care of. And then the next immediate thing that I notice is the amount of moss and algae that we have on the roofing system. Now, moss and algae grow because of the lack of ventilation that we have and the amount of moisture that we have in the roofing system. And right around 15% moisture is right where we start to see mold and rot starting to grow. So this is something that we also definitely want to take care of. And then last but not least, the biggest concern that I have is the amount of blow-offs that we have in this section right here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blow-offs right in this area right here. Now, these blow-offs are also due to the lack of ventilation that we have since your ridge vent is closed off. What happens is that the heat that rises in the home starts to push the nails back up through the roofing system, and when they do that, the shingles lift up, and any wind gust we have just comes through and blows the shingles off, which also can lead to hazardous materials getting into the home and things like that. So all these problems combined are just going to continue to cost you an interior damages. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get down, I'm going to put together a plan and make sure we get this roof secure. And in my professional opinion, we definitely want to get a new roofing system on here.